Yeah. Got it licking on third or fourth spin. I think it was I can play some Lightning Buffalo Link. I put $40 cash in, gonna do 2 cents denom, minimum bet. Yeah. Got it licking on third or fourth spin. I think it was the fourth spin. See what we can do on this one. See if we can get a word, I'll be happy. Be happy with anything, save me. Swan, thank you. I need one to save me. Got that, like, I think it was the fourth spin in. So now we're up. Do some backup spins. Just so you can see the number in the corner. I don't know if you notice this, if you know the slot machine, that can go off at any time. It has to hit by 1800 buffaloes. Like you saw in that bonus, you got to get 8 of the buffaloes with the coins on them to get in that bonus, and 3 of the gold coins to get into the other bonus. And those are wild. Double my money on that spin. Oh, it went off by itself. Let's see what we're gonna get. Here we go. Got the free games. Let's see if we can re-trigger in here. See if we can get anything in here. One more coin. No. 2 spins left. Need a 3. At least I got a little something on the end with the Eagles. Eagles, the Kings, and the Queens, and the Jacks. Wasn't much. $8.52. But see how you can go off whatever it wants. don't have to wait till 1800. A couple backup spins on this one. There we go. 1280 on that one. Alright, let's see what's on the other denominations. 1 cent. Let's see what's on the two. Try the $2 spins on 1 cent denom. Not feeling anything, go down just to $1. Alright, see what nickels are. Try minimum bet on nickels, but that's $5. That's why it gets expensive on here. Oh, got him on nickels. I'm shocked. Sorry for the interruption, but do me a favor and click that like button. That helps YouTube spread my videos to other viewers. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. It's free. And that bell, click on that, and you'll be notified with my new videos every day. Alright, here we go. Re-trigger, get the bonus and the bonus. I need to get something here. There we go. Come on, coins. Oh. There, we got it. And they got good numbers in there too. See if we can get one of those. See if we can get one of those up above. Would be nice. Here we go. I saw that $500 miner go down on the bottom. Oh, come on, save me now. Anything. Nope. Still nice. Minimum bet on nickels, $85 on a $5 bet. Not bad. And we're still in the bonus yet, I forgot. Let's do it again. Come on. Well, yes, yes. I forgot we were in the bonus. See if we can get word. Fill it up for the grand, I'll be happy. Come on, anything. Come on. Need one more to save my butt. Alright, still got 3 spins left in the free games. 5 that time. It's going to be a real nice bonus. Alright, let's finish out these 3 spins, see if we can re-trigger again. Come on, coins. Oh, I'm happy. $190 on $5 bet. That's really good. Do some backup spins. Last one. I'm not going to get my money back in there, so I'm going to cash it out here. We're going to try something different. I know I said I'm done with the video, but I wanted to do this for a long time. I'm going to put $1 in. $0.02 denom. Don't have enough to bet it, so you hit the 1 and press Buffalo and see if you can get a chance. I didn't get on that one. I got 5 singles I'm going to try it with. Same thing. See if we can win anything. Okay, didn't win nothing on that one. This is on $0.02 denom. Oh, got in every time except for the first one, so it's actually pretty good. I won 40 cents. I know I'm going to do it, but I know I'm probably not going to get in on this one. Told you. Just thought I'd show you guys something that you can do if you are low on money. Take a chance. You're betting $2 only with $1. All right, we'll see you later. Follow me on Facebook. I post a brand new video every day at 3 p.m. Central. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see some more slot action, click on one of these 2 videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.